Mindoro Queen 2026, he has been instrumental in creating platforms that celebrate diversity, excellence, and purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our guest judge, Mr. Jojo Barrientos.
Thank you so much to the time and effort and expertise of our panel of judges. Once again, Oriental Mindoro, bigyan po ulit natin na masigabong palakpakan our panel of judges.
Lahat ay sumayaw, sige walang titigil. Alina't magsaya, sige walang titigil.
Thank you so much, judges. For the meantime, while they're taking the photo opportunity, we would like to extend our great thanks to each and everyone who have been part of this successful event. We would also like to thank the following.
We would like to thank the PICPA or MIN, Harvin Custer Asadillo, Treasurer, and Mr. Cedric M. Katapang, Member.
Once again, maraming salamat po to PICPA Oriental Mindoro. And our official tabulation support, we have Melgar Glams or the MGMZ. Maraming salamat po to Jomel Palomera, Richelle Del Rosario, Romnick Mojica, Alexa Handa, Brian Mahagwa, and Edson Habad. Once again, from the bottom of our hearts, maraming salamat po to MGMZ and PICPA Oriental Mindoro.
And also, thank you so much din po sa lahat ng Mindoreños na nandito at sinusuporta ng ating mga candidates.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time that we are entertained by a very special group of people. Let's welcome Buwaywa Folkloric Dance Group from the Oriental Mindoro National High School.
Super labo ng mata ko.
Same.
Hindi ko makikita.
Un pasito para adelante, María. 2, 3. Un pasito para atrás. 2, 3. Un pasito para adelante, María. 2, 3. Un pasito para atrás.
National High School.
Yes, once again, that is led by, of course, the principal, Dr. Nimrod F. Bantigue, and of course, Binibining Rodora Barojabo. From the bottom of our hearts and the whole Oriental Mindoro, it is such a fascinating activity. And it is now time that we move to one of the most colorful, most creative, and I would say most beautiful part of this program. Ladies and gentlemen, the Tamarao is a symbol of strength, a symbol of resilience, and a symbol uniquely Mindoreña.
Actually, Renette, this is actually one of my favorite segments of the competition because tonight, our candidates pay tribute to one of the greatest treasures of our province. Through creative festival-inspired masterpieces, each costume celebrates not only the Tamarao, but also the pride, heritage, and identity of Oriental Mindoro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Festival Attire Competition.
Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino, galing natin ito.
With Queen Puerto Galera.
Buong tiwala sa kakayahan, pursigido sa anumang laban, di ka susuko sa anumang hamon. Pangarap noon, tagumpay ngayon. Kahit ng kayod, di napapagod. Anumang dumaan, di natatakot. Diyos, bayan at pamilya, sa puso mo'y laging dala. Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino, iparinig sa mundo, isigaw mo. Galing natin ito.
Puerto Galera.
Galing natin ito. Pilipino, Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino, hinulma ng bagyo, puso
Let us now welcome Queen San Teodoro.
dagat, balikin man ang maso, hindi ka nagkakalamat. Ako naman ang titig ng hangin habagat. Sama-sama natin itataas ang layak. Sa patakman, lubak-lubakin ang kakaharapin ay tatawanan na lang na parang wala lang. Tatamimigan sila mga kababayan ko. Anumang larangan, galing natin ito. Iisa ang sigaw ng milyong puso. Galing natin ito. Pilipino, iparinig sa mundo, isigaw mo. Galing natin ito. So isip lakas, galing natin ito. Pilipino, sa bawat hamon kasama mo kami, hindi ka mag-iisa. Buong bansa ang kakampi.
Once again, Queen San Teodoro.
Hindi ka mag-iisa. Buong bansa ang kakampi.
Let us now welcome Queen Bako.
Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino, iparinig sa mundo, isigaw mo. Galing natin ito. Puso, isip, lakas, galing natin ito. Pilipino, Pilipino, galing natin ito. Pilipino,
Once again, Queen Bako.
natin ito. Pilipino, galing natin ito. dala Pilipino Galing natin ito Pilipino
Once again, with Calapan City.
Galing natin ito Pasok Galing natin ito Pilipino Pilipino Galing natin ito Pilipino Pilipino Galing natin ito
Let us now welcome Queen Nauhan.